Kasheshekizo barianyomo abaziyo ba kansara berundanire aha district niko kugiraho kanzo eyo kwinguza ekiteiso echo kuza kutayayira amataka agari kugambwaho okubagibire kubaherize ba kansara abibyo kwerinda bebembirwa muhezi wa RDC Martin Niwataho ahamwe na DPC batembire basi niko kuza kurambura amataka gona omurembo rakabare kandi kibatwarire eshahi 5 ekitangize ba kansara no kushanga ngo amataka hagamwe gakatahirirwa kandi agandi gakibwa ba kansara bashanjire ngo ploti ya M15 eriyo mazina ga Tobias Habasa ubwo hari korera district nko byakarimagezi kandi amaplota gandi aharukuto orwabwankosa ba kansara bashanjire ngo gakabaganisibwamo ahantu ho ba kansara hamwe no muhezi wa RDC okutarika omusaveya wa district Prosper ahimbisibwe okubasha kushoborora noha owabaganise amataka ga district ateinerusa
nyine graduates himu tikindo twafuganira ko ke cyanafuye nawe no kufa kugira ngo akakora ivinga aba municipality bakaza kusubdividing abantu kilometers bakaza mu protest bakasubdividing without our consent ala bakajya batwereka bahiremo twatwire 11 point naka pros as big kurugamba tukakuriya hatiya waza kushanga ngo mutekiri yeje bakagitsa subdividing ngo into commercial use
by you
azali ho ukangutugambira you did us no
omukugarakamo ahimbisibwe hagizire ngo wetayine ecyari kumanya hakubaganisibwa mu kwamataka agumize ngo ebyo bikabaho atakagire mu district.
What happened before, I was not there first of all, and now I'm following the technical guidance. What I studied, what I see in the books or in the maps is what I'm following.
Of 2021.
Bakansara bahingwize okwandikira urukiko rukuru horiyo kwerinda mu district okutaha umushonga ezamataka juba bagarukire bahinguza okubinga abantu bona abari kuturo mataka gabo umuringo gw'ekishobobo kandi bagarukire bahinguza okuzitera hamwe no kutebyapa aha mataka gabo omuri Kabale. Ori speaker wa district ya Kabale Flavia Nyinakiza Kanagizi agizire ngo byo kwerinda bwa hati no bayetagwa okugira ngo batahe omushonga z'amataka wanyuma yo kucetegereza ngo amataka gakibwa bamwe abari kukorera omu district.
Tware mu security neza kutuhwera na munonga abantu butwashanga bari kolesi itaka ryitu tutakucumanya abantu bakubyama omu masho gitu tutari kucumanya kandi na mama ba encouragingire ahitaka ryitu tutari kucumanya so twajya mu RDC's office as security organ in the district batwere bajonde bongere ba investigating ababantu kandi handi twasiga twarukomendinga demolishing ya some structures ezibatire omutaka ryitu tutari kucimanya Mwezi wa RDC Martin Niwataho hagizire ngo urukiko rukuru horiyo kwerinda niriza kushitama esabiteri kwija okwasa kureba ngo batandika ahanshongezi.
Twarambura amataka ga district kandi twashanga amataka ga district kwa yunivasiti mu Kabale kandi twashanga ikizibu cyona n'ikiri bw'abantu abose ntibakikora kandi security takucimanya mbwenu itunga security we have been beefed. We are going to have a security meeting, make a resolution, and we evict anyone who is on government land.
Niwataho garukire yajumirira bebembezi abatabaze gukora murimo go kurinda amataka ga government hamwe na ga district.
Actually, this one should be a mandate. You should ask these people when they are coming for politics, what have you done? Our land has been lost during your term of office. What have you done? It should be a question. We are not campaigning you, but we are saying, wake up, hands on, let us protect the land of the district.
Makra gagasha kwa Jime Emmanuel aha wa Tayari West.